Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a joint income tax return on TurboTax. First, ensure both spouses meet the eligibility criteria for married filing jointly. This status often offers tax advantages, like a higher standard deduction and broader tax brackets. We will guide you through selecting this option within the TurboTax platform, making the process straightforward and efficient. Let's get started on combining your financial information seamlessly. Once you've selected your filing status, the next step is to meticulously enter all income for both spouses. This includes W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and any other earnings. TurboTax will then prompt you to add your combined deductions and credits, such as mortgage interest or student loan interest. Carefully inputting this information ensures you take advantage of every possible tax benefit available to married couples filing jointly. After entering all your financial data, TurboTax provides a comprehensive review process. Take your time to carefully examine every section, ensuring all numbers are accurate and no information is missing. This step is crucial for avoiding potential issues with the IRS. Once you are confident everything is correct, you will electronically sign and submit your joint return, completing the filing process. When filing jointly, remember to consider estimated tax payments if either spouse has substantial income not subject to withholding, like from self-employment. Always maintain thorough records of all your tax documents, including W-2 forms and 1099 forms, for at least 3 years. This practice is vital for future reference or audits. Also, for those looking to truly transform their financial perspective, check the description for a link to a book that can change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.